Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel and to the series Functional English. Every language has a certain set of word groups that would help a speaker perform certain set of functions. That's how one becomes more fluent, expressive and master the language. So in this video, let's learn how one can express inability in English. Look at this table for reference. In present, we can say, I can't speak French. In past, we can use expressions like I couldn't understand the movie. For future, I won't be able to join the party. So let's dive in and learn more expressions like this. So talking about present inability using can't, be unable to and other expressions. For example, I can't do it. I'm not able to help. I don't know how to swim. I'm unable to understand this. It's too difficult for me are some examples of expressing present inability in English. Now let's see how we can express past inability in English using could and was unable to. We can say, I couldn't solve the problem. I was unable to attend the meeting. I didn't know how to respond. I tried, but I couldn't finish it. I wasn't able to explain it clearly. Now let's see the ways to talk about future inability. We can say, I won't be able to come tomorrow, or I am not going to be able to attend the meeting. I don't think I'll be able to finish it on time. I'll try, but I might not be able to do it. Unfortunately, I won't have the time to help. Do keep practicing, and gradually you'll see you'll be able to make your own set of chunks and sentences to express these kind of expressions. So, meet you in the next video. Please do like our videos, share them, and subscribe to our channel.